everyone, I'm Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be recreating this look for you. So if you want to see how I got this, I don't know, it's giving mermaid. Pink and blue mermaid vibes. Okay, so if you want to know how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. And give this video a like. Thanks. Okay, so here you can see I already done my brows off camera, looking good. Here's my Makeup Revolution eye primer. The wand was huge, honey, but I just tapped that on. And I'm gonna blend that out with my finger and then take a fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna blend the edges out into the concealer and boom. So next I'm taking this palette here and I'm going in with Mughal. That's the shade, purple shade. That's going like in my crease transition area, whatever you want to call it. And I'm blending that out. Then I'm going in with my James Charles in the shade Escape. And that's the dark purple shade going in my crease and outer corner. And I'm blending that together. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, now I'm taking the Wand Noise. Orange shade right on my brow bone or whatever you want to call it, and I'm just gonna blend that in for a gradient look. Okay, blend, 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 blend. Next I'm just adding back the colors that I already placed on my eyes. We're just adding them back in for a little bit more vibrant look. You don't want to look dull out here. All right, so add that in and blend it out. Here I am blending. Blend, 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 blend. And this is just a brush with nothing on it. Okay? So just a random fluffy brush. Just blend. Blend for your life. Okay? Blend, blend, blend. Blend. Okay. Alright. Now I'm taking the primer on a flat brush and I'm just gonna cut my crease. And I'm going very much above my actual crease, and that's just because I have hooded eyes. Us hooded eye girls, we gotta do what works for us. Okay, so yeah, now I'm taking a flat brush with the dark purple shade and I'm just outlining where I've cut my crease. This gives me more of a pop. Okay, now for the shimmers, I'm taking Hello Acapella and Artistry from the I almost said James Brown James Charles palette, and I'm just tapping those in, and I just tap them to blend them together with no product. At the end you'll see, but yeah, lay them down and then tap them to blend them out. Okay, tap, tap, tap. Yes, don't mind the blue that I got up there, but yeah, back in with the primer under my eye, as you can see. Yeah, and then I'm just dragging that dark purple shade down under my eye for a dramatic look. Okay. Yes, she's giving life. Alright, so now I'm taking my NYX liner and I'm just lining them eyes. Everything will be linked down into the bar below, okay? So if you want to find any of these products, you definitely can. And so I'm definitely gonna line my eyes, and then after that I'm gonna put on my duo lash glue, pop a lash on, okay, and then do my full face foundation. If you guys want to see my foundation look, then you can go ahead and comment that below and I'll do it for you upon request. Okay, might be a longer video if I do eyes and foundation, but if you want it, I'll do it. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up this look. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, turn on the bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye. Lash glue, lash glue, lash glue, 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 glue.